Alright. Some of this, what is it called? I keep...
Current roll.
Currents?
Current roll.
Current?
Yeah. C-U-R-R-E-N-T-S. Current roll.
Current roll.
You know the current roll, the grapes, the dried up grapes? It's called currant.
I didn't know that.
Not raisin. You would say this bakery is well known.
It is?
Yeah, it's very well known for the...
You should have taken the video.
It's a perfect amount of sweetness, you know?
It's not a sweet.
Like it's not too sweet. And it lets the
I like
the raisins or the dried grapes
It's a little bit crunchy.
be able to like shine or
How
whatever.
much is this at?
Welcome to Movie Town. Doesn't expect this to be new.
A literal movie town?
No, like the design, because I don't know. I feel like this is something you would see somewhere else. Thank you.
Did you want pepper?
Okay.
Yeah, you spotted.
I thought of voodoo, bro.
Yeah.
What is that?
Macaroni pie, barbecue chicken, and salad. I forgot the dressing. That bad for $8.
Alright, we're gonna try Royal Castle. For the first time. It's not for the first time. Damn. And look, they give me a small wing. Crispy. A little bit oily, but that indicates to me that it's a bit juicy. Let's open that up. First bite.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good. It would be better if it was spicy. But there's pepper here, so I'm gonna just dip this in the pepper. Can you see it? There's a bit of pepper on it. Can you see that? It's right there. There you go. Portugal, Minute Maid Dream. Portugal is like the orange here
It's like a tray
in
type thing, but I haven't
Trinidad.
seen anyone.
It kind of is like, it's like the landan, ma.
I paid
Is
for
it the
this
same?
drink, so it's mine.
It's the same? The more you know. Anyways, I'll give this chicken 7.8 out of 10. That makes good. Like that make. Syrup. Would eat again. 10 out of 10.
By the river.
What is he doing? What is he doing? Syrup. Let's do some bird watching. What is that, a tilapia?
What is this? What is this?
It's kind of funny. I will.
There's a
I have no idea what this bird is. So it's not a flamingo. Do they have flamingos here though?
yeah. In the zoo.
Oh. Heron. That's kind of dirty. Ew, this looks nice. Oh, you can see some of the birds right now. Crabs, so many crabs. Oh, you don't like it?
I don't know.
It's the Titanic, that's the way it ended up. What? The Titanic ended up here.
So guys, when you're stepping in a boat,
Yeah.
you want to step in one time. If you put one leg in and one leg out, you ever saw those cartoons of them where it drifts apart? If that really happens. Before we head down, anybody have any phobia, scared of anything?
Many times.
Frog.
What?
Snakes.
I heard frogs, I heard snakes. Only reason a snake ever went into our boat was because a woman thought it was fake.
And she brought it in.
Right. And she shook it and it fell straight into the boat.
Oh my god.
She shook, pulled the entire branch down. Right? So guys, please don't do anything like that. You don't really have to worry about them unless you have one.
No
You don't really have to worry about them unless you have one black. You guys know why, right?
What?
Which color attracts heat the most? And which color or what do snakes normally look for? They are heat seekers.
So I'm not gonna lie, I really wish I had a better camera or lens for this section of the video because the current lens that I have did not really do this thing justice. Our tour guide was really amazing, knowledgeable, and had a lot of information. And here's some of the information he shared throughout the tour, and I'm going to summarize it here really quick. The Caroni Swamp is the largest wetland in Trinidad and also the second largest mangrove forest in Trinidad. Similar to the flamingo, the Caroni Swamp also features the scarlet ibis, which appear red due to the crustaceans that eat. Hence their name, scarlet ibis. A significant feature of this swamp is the amount of mangroves that are there. They have all kinds of red, black, and white mangroves. And mangroves are pretty cool. I already knew this already, but if you guys didn't know, mangroves are like trees that basically grow in like brackish water, or there's a bit of salt in the water, so you might find them along coastal regions on the ocean and things like that. One interesting thing about the mangroves is that they're moving more inland, and there are multiple factors that might be leading to this. The tour guide emphasized that one of the biggest factors is that because of climate change, the water levels have risen so much that the brackish waters move more inland, allowing the mangroves to also move more inland. And thus, you can even see them pretty much crossing over the highway. It would be a boring bird watching experience if there wasn't any birds. The good thing is the Caroni Swamp features over 190 different species of birds, including other animals such as the capybaras, anteaters, caimans, tree boas, and other kinds of stuff, the latter of which I'm happy we did not see. Nevertheless, we passed through this so-called love tunnel because apparently somebody proposed in this tunnel, and exit to a big open area with shallow water.
Whoa, I forgot about this here.
Flamingo.
Let me get my camera, right? Because this one doesn't zoom in very far.
Well, if you could try it, it wasn't.
It's maganda, just like ikaw. And if you look off into the distance in the shallow water, there's like little islands of mangroves that are growing near there. I will go back again and do this bird watching at some point. I must do it and get proper lens and camera to really film this, because like I said, the footage that I got for this really did not do this thing justice. We were first greeted by flamingos. Flamingos in Trinidad are kind of interesting because our tour guide kind of mentioned how they're not really native to Trinidad. Over the years, they've been like a growing presence of them showing up. Usually they come there to migrate during some sort of season, but now they're noticing that a lot of birds are being born there, which could indicate that they're becoming an invasive species. But I was also doing some research on my own time, just looking at whether or not they're invasive. And it turns out it could be the case that they were once native there and then wiped out due to habitat destruction or hunting. Basically, the presence there is almost sort of like a recolonization or a natural migration back to their homeland. Even if we were to suggest that they were invasive, the good thing is that they're pretty neutral there. They don't really affect the current biodiversity, which is pretty cool. And then I embarrassed myself trying to anchor the boat to this wooden stick that was coming out of the water. Yeah. Okay, do I... Okay.
Pull it from the ground.
Oh, okay. I knew that. Right.
Most of them over there now compared to over here.
We have our fruits here where we season it up with garlic, pepper, black pepper, shadow benny. It's similar to what you guys know as cilantro, right? And I think some people would argue any point that that's cilantro or culantro. I'm not too sure, right? But tell me how it tastes. It's a nice little refreshing snack.
Afterwards, our tour guide also gave us something called pineapple chow, which is basically seasoned pineapple. It has all kinds of seasoning, shadow benny, I think it's called. I think.
Do you
I'll
want
put the
it?
ingredients here.
Can you hide your face for a second?
It's pretty good. It's in my opinion, it's really good actually. I remember snacking these. I was snacking on these as a kid. They're like sweet, juicy, spicy, salty. Just an explosion of flavors. It's pretty good. You should try it. And then as we were eating, all of a sudden the birds started to come from wherever they were on the island to kind of rest and sleep for the night. So they come to these mangroves. And do the scene, whatever.
It is colored fabulous.
Alright guys, clear up there, ladies. Guys, get a chance to come up. Watch your step.
Chill, and the sunset is nice.
Nice. Next route.
I like your outfit.
Thanks. I'm going all back.
Where's the moon? Look at the sunset. It's maganda. Like ikaw.
Sige.
Not you though.